If you've run out of storage on your phone and you have a Google account, this is a gentle reminder that you have 15 gigabytes of free online storage with your Google account via the Google Photos app. This is an Android phone, so I think Photos came pre-installed, but if not, I think you can download it. And here it is, Photos, and I'll just open it up. And I'm always overloaded with videos basically, and I'm always maxed out on my storage. So if you've got that 15 gigabytes of online storage with Google, what I could do is, if I'm getting close, I could transfer 15 gigabytes of videos up to the online storage and that'll free up 15 gigabytes, hopefully. For an Android phone, it'll probably be already installed, but if not, you can download it from the Play Store. And it also comes in Google One, which is sort of Google's all-in-one thing for like, your Gmail and all that. But most Android phones come with them all pre-installed, but that's where you can find it anyway if you're looking for it. So I'll open it up here. I've just taken a photo there, a video there, and I'll give you an example of what I'm going to do to save space on my phone. About backup, I should say that I think backup is usually on by default. Backup is on by default. And I've switched it off so that I've always got that spare 15 gigabytes. If you've got it on, it's already uploading 15 gigabytes of videos that you've taken, but I'm not sure whether that's videos from the start and then it fills up, or if it keeps renewing them, erasing the old ones. I'm not sure, but I suppose if you do have backup on, then you can, in theory, just delete from your own phone storage the ones that have been thinged, and then you can download them later on. But I've done it the other way around. I've done it so that I've got it as backup basically, just in case at the end. So I've taken this silly video here, and I'm going to send it to the Google Online Storage, Google Photos basically. Here's my menu, backup. So there we go, and it's uploading. And in my phone it shows little clouds to show that it's been uploaded to Google Online. I'm presuming everyone gets that little cloud there, but that's very useful. It tells you it's been backed up. I'm still in the Google Photos app here, but this is showing me my storage on my camera as well, because all these other ones haven't got a cloud on them, so I haven't uploaded them. But what I'm going to do now is, with this one, I'm going to delete it from my device. So here we go, and it comes down here, delete from device. So here goes, and that's going to leave it in the cloud, but not in my phone. Yes. So there we go, it's been deleted from my phone, and I've freed up whatever that was, like 200 megabytes, I don't know, very small. To get it back in onto my phone, I would download it from Google Photos. So I'm in the Google Photos app, I'll click on it. Menu comes up, and there's an option, download. There it is, yeah. So download. I think it's just doing it automatically, but that would have saved me, like, say 50 megabytes on my phone storage. I would have had that uploaded to Google Photos, and then later on I can put the photo back down. That's just one way to show you, I just wanted to show you that you've got 15 gigabytes of free online storage with Google Photos. I'm calling it Google Photos, but I think it's actually anything you want to save space on, like a PDF file or anything, because you've got 15 gigabytes of storage on Google, I think. Okay.